A group of Iowa State University students are coming together to help solve hunger on campus. Cam McKenzie and Matt Nosko have the story.
Tucked away in the back corner of the Food Sciences building is a new organization. SHOP, or Students Helping Our Peers, is providing free food and goods to students in need. The idea came from a Food Science and Human Nutrition 110 class assignment. Students were given the option to do either community service or read a novel dealing with the struggles in America's poor working class.
Some people went to food at first, and I know a couple of them were part of the committee that started this, but I believe most of us were the ones who'd read the book, and we just kind of felt this would be our best option to start a food pantry for the ISU students.
The students were given the opportunity to form a group to work alongside ISU Dining, designing a service for students. The students did research on what type of service would be the most useful and realized that the food pantry in Ames wasn't reaching the ISU community.
We found that college students weren't using services for some reason or another, or weren't being reached, and we found it odd because, tuition's high, and so there's always a need for a little bit of help, and so we kind of looked into the idea of the shop, and now we have a food pantry.
The service is completely anonymous with no records of who is taking what. SHOP only tracks the amount of food distributed each week.
We hope to reach about 30 people a week. That's kind of our ultimate goal. Long-term kind of a thing. So we have to get awareness out there that the service is here for students.
In the weeks since opening, the success of the pantry has been variable. One week serving one person, another serving nearly 10. Canned meat, vegetables, shelf-stable milk, daily toiletries, and family supplies such as diapers are some of the recommended donations. There are a number of ways that you can help if you're interested.
We have boxes set up around campus, and people have been putting food in there. And then we have boxes set up at Hy-Vee, and people fill those up for us.
SHOP organizers would appreciate help spreading the word about the pantry to would-be clients and volunteers. For ISU TV with Matt Nosko, I'm Cam McKenzie.
Anyone who is interested in getting involved by volunteering time or donations can contact co-presidents Haley Boudreau and Sarah Schwanebeck. The pantry is located in room 2616 of Food Sciences and runs from 3 to 6 p.m. every Tuesday.